running a quick vid. We're gonna go ahead and put the pruner on here and take down this tree. Also sculpt up that bush. All right, we are good to go. All right, so we got a lot of branches already trimmed. A little bit more to go. All right, we're hitting the back shot. All right, we got just a stick left. Let's go ahead and get this cut as low as possible. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and start picking up. We're gonna load it up in the back of the truck and then proceed into sculpting up this bush. I'll be right back with you. All right, we already have most of it loaded. All that's left is the heavy logs we're gonna throw on top, squish it down, put this tarp on, strap it in, and we'll be on the way. All right, we're all loaded up. All that's left is this log. We're gonna go ahead and cut it flush to the ground, then proceed into removing this bush that you see. All right, I went ahead and pickaxed that tree out. Moving on into the stump, went ahead and took the pickaxe, did a little ring around the bottom of it. That way I prevent dirt from hitting the chain of the pruner. All right, you can see my cut should be fairly well enough to kick it down. Just a little bit of a split to hit and we'll be done. All right, we're looking real good. And go ahead and kick the rocks back against it. Final close-up. Before I sculpt this up, we're gonna go around the corner and pick up this little bit of debris and add it onto the load. Well done. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed back into sculpting this Texas Ranger. On this portion, I need to be meticulous in sculpting up this Texas Ranger. I have my Fiskar pruners, loppers, and shears. We're gonna go ahead and dive up into this, where you can see it branching out at the trunk. We're gonna turn this into a tree. As I proceed to trim this, we're gonna wanna keep this thick trunk right here and mainly take off these branches coming out. And then I'm gonna take the pole pruner and zip this whole chunk off, and we'll go ahead and take another look at it. Looking at it from a distance, you can see that we're gonna wanna take off some of these left and right branches that are coming out to the sides. Looking deeper into this, we're probably going to wanna take all these small branches off and just keep these main stalks. We're definitely coming together. Let me go ahead and do a little more details. All right, we got that all chopped out. All that's left is to hit this top with the shears. All right, we're looking good right here. Nice flat top. All right, I can go ahead and start raking up, picking up the tools, and tarping this in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and access the load by walking on the hood to the roof, directly into the trunk of the truck, where I can proceed to squish down the load prior to tarping and ratchet strapping it down. Time to start breaking down the tools and loading them up. We are all tarped in. Let's go on ahead and capture our after photography. So in doing these videos, it's not to show off. Well, maybe it's a little bit to show off, but mainly we want to get people established and starting their own yard service, generating income, providing opportunities for other people, and just staying out of trouble. If this sounds like something for you, feel free to subscribe. Share it out, comment, like. Have a great day.